Okay, this video is specifically about adding trend lines, but what we call regressions or line of regressions to our scatterplot that we've already created. So whenever you have a scatterplot and you want to add a trend line or a regression line, you're going to, again, click on the little arrow so that you can edit it. And you're going to go to Advanced Edit. Then once you're here, we're in the Customize menu. And you're actually going to scroll all the way to the bottom. But you can continue to read all the words as you go. And you'll see where it says trend line. And for the fun of it, let's just add a linear trend line. What you can see is that trend line then actually becomes our line of best fit. And when you hover over it, you can see the equation for it. Notice that it's light blue, and then the color that's added up here is also light blue to our legend. So maybe I want to change the color so it stands out more, maybe. You can change how thick the line is to make sure if it's really important, or if you want it just in the background, your call. And then what I want to do though is I want to change this so instead of it saying trend line for test scores, I actually want it to tell me the equation for the regression model. So I'm changing the label to say use equation. So here you can see the equation of the trend line. If you have your legend on the right, your equation might get cut off. So that's why I like to have my equations or my legend at the top so it has enough room to fit. Okay, now notice that you can also use an exponential and it will change the curve, or you can use a polynomial. Polynomial is a quadratic in this case, and as you can see the entire equation above here. Okay, so make sure you choose the line that fits the shape of the data. I believe that this shape is linear, so I'm going to go with that and hit update.